Are you an avid reader looking to organize your books for the whole year? With this book tracker sheet, you'll have full control over what you've read, what you're currently reading, and what you plan to read next. How to use this book tracker. First, let's take a quick overview of the sheet. At the top, you'll see key sections. Total books read. This shows the total number of books you've completed. Books in progress. This tracks the number of books you are currently reading. Total pages read. This calculates the total pages you've read so far. Next, we have a genre breakdown chart that visually presents how many books you've read in each genre, using different colors. You'll find a books read per month chart, which helps you track your reading progress over time. Filtering your book list, you have 3 useful filters. Status filter. You can filter books by status, such as completed, in progress, or not started. The table updates automatically based on your selection. Rating filter. This allows you to filter books based on your ratings, from 1 to 5 stars. Genre filter. You can filter books by genre to see how many you've read in each category. For example, if you want to recommend a book to a friend, you can use the rating filter, select 5-star books, and instantly see your top-rated books. Enter the book title, author, start date, finish date, and total pages. The percentage progress and current page fields update automatically. You don't need to do anything manually. Use the status drop-down to mark the book as not started, in progress, or completed. Choose a genre from the drop-down list. If a genre is missing, you can add it in the genre tab, and it will appear in the list. Select a rating from 1 to 5 stars and add comments if needed. Everything updates in real time, ensuring you always have the latest information about your reading progress. Important notes: certain parts of this sheet, such as the pivot tables and summary sections, are protected to prevent accidental changes. If you attempt to edit a protected section, you'll receive a warning message. It's best to leave those sections as they are to maintain the sheet's functionality. Get your book tracker. This book tracker makes it easy to manage your reading goals and get valuable insights into your habits. If you'd like to purchase this template, click the link in the video description or the first comment. And if you find this tool helpful, don't forget to give it 5 stars. It really helps support me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.